Everyone, welcome to Organic Creations. I hope you all are doing fine today. So today we are going to be making an HD BB cream. This is a high definition BB cream which gives an excellent coverage on the skin. It has waterproofing effect. It stays for a longer time, and mostly these are used by professional makeup artists or during big events, functions. So this gives you a very good coverage. So we'll quickly start with the making of this BB cream. For those who are beginners, who have never made these products before, I'm going to be sharing a basic BB cream formulation in the description box. Y'all can check that out. For those who would like to learn these high definition ones, y'all can join my workshops. Workshop details, WhatsApp number is given in the description box. So we'll quickly start with the making. Here I have my oil phase ingredients. Here I have taken my blend of silicones, waxes, emulsifiers. Everything has been weighed out here. And here I have my water phase, in which I have a little bit of xanthan gum clear. I have my glycerin, my water, distilled water, and that's my water phase. So now we'll quickly go ahead and heat both the phases. Okay, so I've gone ahead and heated my oil phase and my water phase, and now I'm going to quickly go ahead and add my water phase into my oil phase, and I will go ahead and give this a blend. Okay, so this is how it looks after the mixture is completely blended. And now I'll go ahead and add my my oxides to this. That's the pigment and oxides which is going to give a color to our BB cream. This is already weighed out, and now we'll go ahead and give this a good mix to combine the colors. Okay, so we've gone ahead and mixed all the color here with the cream base, and this is how it looks, the texture. It has a lovely consistency to be put in a pump bottle, and we'll go ahead and add our preservative to this, and we'll give it a nice mix. Okay, so now I'll just apply a little and show you all the coverage of this BB cream. I've just applied a very little of it, and if you all can see what a lovely coverage this gives. If you compare both, you can see how clear this side is, and it gives a very good coverage with a very long stay. So friends, this is how we make our HD BB cream, and for those who would like to learn how to make these, you all can definitely join my workshops. And if you like what I share with you all, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.